This has been the most game-changing thing that I have done to my trading in a long time, and it's unlocked so many insane possibilities I'm going to show you today. I've been playing around with this for the last few weeks, and today I'm going to show you how to set it up. Now, you don't need to know what an MCP is to use this, but essentially what is happening is TradingView Desktop is feeding the live data through Chrome DevTools protocol, streaming into an MCP server. Claude then reads that data, and it's able to give you an answer or respond to your prompt based on this data. So essentially, the MCP is now the bridge between the data that used to live on TradingView, the indicators, the drawings, the setups, the price changes, etc., that you previously had to manually feed into Claude. Now that is all happening in real time, running 100% locally on your machine. So to get this set up, you need 4 things. Firstly, you need Claude installed on your computer. You can use Claude Code through the desktop app, as you can see on the left of screen here. The next thing you'll need is to download the desktop app of TradingView. The Chrome application is not going to work. You need to download the desktop app in order to link Claude to TradingView. The next thing you'll need is to install a local node. However, I've developed a prompt, which I'll be giving to you for free, which you can just copy and paste into Claude Code, and it'll save all these setup headaches that you may have had if you tried to do it yourself. And then of course, you also need an active TradingView subscription. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Claude Code. Remember, you'll need to connect Claude Code to a local folder. Just create a folder on your desktop and connect it. Down the track, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually import your memory to make this proper trading assistant. So essentially, you can put in your data in terms of how you trade, what your trading style is, what tokens you look at, what your parameters are. And then every time Claude Code analyzes a strategy for you, it can be based on your instructions and requirements, but that is something we will build on in future videos, so make sure you're subscribing for that. I'm going to paste in my full prompt here. The prompt will be available for free using the link in the description. All you need to do is sign up, put in your email, and you unlock the Instagram community. Join, it's free. And the pinned message will contain the Google Drive with all of the resources, including this prompt from today's video. So what you want to do is you want to copy and paste the full prompt into Claude. Then it's going to automatically start configuring the MCP, downloading everything that you need to download, and it's going to link it to your TradingView desktop application. You want to just go through and click always allow on these messages. You will get a few pop-ups in the beginning. There are some workarounds that you can actually do to decrease the amount of manual approvals. If you go into your Claude settings and you get rid of the permission toggle, this comes with extra risks, but if you're willing to do it, it can make this process a little bit more seamless. The other thing you can do is you can actually control this remotely. There are 2 options. One through Claude Dispatch, which enables you to access Claude Code from a mobile device. So you could literally be walking down the street on your phone and analyzing TradingView, which is pretty cool. Or for the more advanced users, something that I've been doing, which has been an absolute game changer for my trading and portfolio management, is actually set up OpenClaw so you can control Claude Code through Telegram and make it your 24/7 research assistant. So I have it sending me automatic market briefs every day, scanning my portfolio every day, suggesting trades. So you can see here on the left, now it's fully set up. It might prompt you to restart your TradingView, but just follow the steps. And if you ever have any questions, of course, you can just ask Claude. But I developed that prompt to make it easy for you guys so you don't have to do what I had to do in the early days, which is basically going into the GitHub, downloading the MCP, copying in a bunch of manual prompts. It was annoying. So I upgraded it with the prompt I'm giving you guys in today's video. Once again, link in the description for that.